Hello students, good morning. Welcome to SS Online Classes. Students, we were reading chapter 6, the swing of our English literature book as we said. Students, in our last video, our topics were poem and hard words. So students, included these topics, we have read and note down 4-line poem and 12 hard words of the chapter 6, the swing in our fat English literature notebook in our last video. And students, today's our topics are tick the things the child can see from up in the air, and our second number topic is word meaning. So students, included these topics today we will read and solve exercise E, which is page number 46 of this chapter 6 in our English literature book as we Shastra. And since we will also solve this exercise of the chapter 6 in our fat English literature notebook in our today's class, and then we will read and note down word meaning of the chapter 6 the swing in our fat English literature notebook. Okay, so all students, please press partial attention class and listen to my words clearly, because today we are going to read and solve exercise A of the chapter 6 in our English literature book as we Shastra. And soon we will also solve this exercise A of the chapter 6 in our fat English literature notebook, and then we will read and note down word meaning of the chapter 6 the swing in our fat English literature notebook. Okay, so all students, firstly look at this page number 46. Let's see exercise A of this chapter 6. Students, so exercise A of this chapter 6 is tick the things the child can see from up in the air. टिक मीन्स सही का निशान, दी थिंग्स मीन्स वस्तु या चीज़ें, दी चाइल्ड मीन्स बच्चा, कैन सी मीन्स देख सकता है, फ्रॉम अप इट्स मीन ऊपर से, इन द एयर इट्स मीन हवा में. स्टूडेंट्स, सो एक्सरसाइज इज टिक द थिंग्स द चाइल्ड कैन सी फ्रॉम अप इन द एयर. इट्स मीन कि उन चीज़ों पर सही का निशान लगाइए जो एक बच्चा ऊपर से हवा में देख सकता है. ओके, तो उन थिंग्स में हमें टिक करना है, उन वस्तु या चीज़ों के नेम भी हमें सही का निशान लगाना है जो एक बच्चा ऊपर से हवा में देख सकता है. ओके, so students, your given things names are: first number is rivers, it's mean nadia; second number is camels, it's mean oot; third number is farmer, it's mean kisan; four number is trees, it's mean peed; five number is garden, it's mean bagicha; six number is roof, it's mean chhat; and seven number is school, it's mean school ya vidyalay; eight number is bulls, it's mean we can say that bal; and students, nine number is sea, it's mean samudra. Clear? So students, things the child can see from up in the air are rivers, trees, garden, bulls and roof. Okay, so students, firstly take in this first number box against this first number word rivers. Okay, so students, child can see from up in the air रिवर्स. ओके, तो एक बच्चा रिवर्स देख सकता है. ओके, नदियों को देख सकता है ऊपर से हवा में. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, टिक इन दिस फर्स्ट नंबर बॉक्स अगेंस्ट दिस वर्ड रिवर्स. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, सेकेंड नंबर वर्ड इज कैमल्स. ओके, लीव इट because a child cannot see camel from up in the air. Students, your third number word is farmers, and students, leave it because students, a child cannot see farmers from up in the air. And students, your four number given word is trees. Okay, so students, tick in this four number box against this four number word trees, because students, a child can see trees from up in the air. Okay, and students, your five number word is garden, and garden means bagicha. And students, tick in this five number box again this five number word garden, because students, a child can see garden from up in the air. Okay, students, your six number word is roof, and students, tick in this six number box against this six number word roof, because students, a child can see roof फ्रॉम अप इन द एयर, क्योंकि एक बच्चा ऊपर से हवा में रूफ को देख सकता है, छत को देख सकता है. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स, सेवन नंबर वर्ड इज स्कूल, सो लीव इट बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स, आवर चाइल्ड कैन नॉट सी स्कूल फ्रॉम अप इन द एयर. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, योर एट नंबर वर्ड इज वुल्स. वुल्स मीन्स the meaning of bulls start ball, and students, our child can see bulls from up in the air. Okay, so students, stick in this 8 number box again this 8 number word bulls, because students, एक बच्चा ऊपर से हवा में बुल्स को देख सकते हैं. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स, योर लास्ट 9 number word is seas, it means समुद्र. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लीव इट बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स, चाइल्ड कैन नॉट सी सीज फ्रॉम अप इन द एयर. ओके, एक बच्चा ऊपर से समुद्र को नहीं देख सकता. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस एक्सरसाइज थिंग्स द चाइल्ड कैन सी फ्रॉम अप इन द एयर आर rivers, trees, garden, bulls and roof. Okay, so students, tick in these blanks. First number blank against this first number word rivers, and tick four number blank against this four number word trees, and tick five number blank in this five number against this five number given word garden, and tick in this eight number box against this eight number word bulls, and tick six number box against this six number word roof. Clear? So students, we have read and solved this exercise of this chapter 6 in our English literature book as well as Shastra. And students, I hope you must have understood this exercise. You have no problem. in this exercise. Okay, so student, let's see word meaning of this chapter 6. Student, the name of this chapter 6 is The Swing. The Swing, it's mean Jhula. Let's see word meaning. Word means sub, meaning means art. Word meaning, it's means sub the art. Student, so first number word is pleasant. Pleasantest. Student, the meaning of pleasant, it's very enjoyable. Okay, very means बहुत, enjoyable means आनंद में. Very enjoyable, it's mean बहुत आनंद में. Clear? Student, so second number word is cattle. CATTLE cattle. Cattle means होते हैं मवेशी. And student, the meaning of cattle is cows and bulls that are kept as farm animals. Okay, cows it's mean गाय and means और bulls it's mean बैल. that means जो आर मीन्स है kept means रखे जाते हैं, as means के रूप में या की तरह farm animals it's mean कि खेत जानवर. Okay, cows and bulls that are kept as farm animals it's mean कि गाय और बैल. ओके, गाय और बैल जिन्हें खेत जानवरों के रूप में रखा जाता है उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं कैटल. इट्स मीन मवेशी. क्लियर? स्टूडेंट्स, सो लास्ट थर्ड नंबर वर्ड इज कंट्री साइड. COUNTRYSID कंट्री साइड. Students, the meaning of countryside that Dehat, and the meaning of countryside is land outside towns and cities with fields. Okay, land outside it's mean land means भूमि, outside means बाहर की. Okay, towns means कस्बे and means और cities means शहरों with means के साथ, fields means मैदानों या खेतों. Okay, land outside towns and cities with fields it's mean we can say that कस्बों और शहरों के बाहर की ओर की भूमि खेतों या मैदानों के साथ. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ कंट्री साइड एट देहात. ओके, जो हमारे जो टाउन्स होते हैं या सिटीज़ होती है, जो हमारे कस्बे होते हैं और शहरों के जो आउटसाइड का जो लैंड होता है, बाहर की ओर का जो भूमि होती है फील्ड्स के साथ में, मैदानों या खेतों के साथ में, उसे बोलते हैं कंट्री साइड. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, वी हैव रीड एंड नोट डाउन वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर 6 in our English literature fan notebook, and I hope you must have understood this word meaning of this chapter 6. You have no problem in any meaning of word of this exercise of this chapter 6. Okay, so student, now we are going to read and solve exercise of this chapter 6 that's in our far English literature notebook. Okay, so student, let's exercise A. Student, so exercise A of this chapter 6 is tick the things the child can see from up in the air. Okay, it's mean उन चीज़ों पे सही का निशान लगाए जो एक बच्चा ऊपर से हवा में देख सकते हैं. Okay, students, so first number word is rivers. Okay, rivers means नदियाँ. So students, a child can see rivers from up in the air. So students, tick in this first number box. Again, this first number word rivers. Okay, students, your second number word is camels. It means ऊँट. So students, a child cannot see camels from up in the air. So students, leave it. And students, your third number given word is farmers. So students, leave it because students, a child cannot see farmers from up in the air. Okay, students, so four number given word is trees. It's mean pear. So students, a child can see trees from up in the air. So students, tick in this four number box. Again, this four number word trees. And students, your five number given word is garden. Garden means bagicha. And students, a child can see garden from up in the air. So students, tick in this five number box. Again, this five number word garden. And students, your six number word is roof. Roof means chat. And students, a child also can see a roof from up in the air. So students, tick in this six number box. Again, this six number word roof. And students, our seven number given word is school. So students, a child cannot see a school from up in the air. So students, leave this seven number box. Okay, and students, our eight number given word is bulls. Bulls means ball. And students, a child can see bulls from up in the air. So students, tick in this in this eight number box. Again, this eight number word bulls. Okay, and students, our last nine number given word is sea. Sea means samud. And students, a child cannot see seas from up in the air. So students, leave this nine number last box. Okay, so students, in this exercise, things that a child can see from up in the air are rivers and trees, garden, roof, and bulls. Okay, so students, tick first number word rivers and four number word trees, five number word garden, and six number word roof, and eight number word bulls. Clear? So students, a child can see rivers, trees, garden, roof, bulls from up in the air. Okay, so students, we have read and solved this exercise of this chapter 6 in our far English literature notebook, and I hope you must have understood this exercise. You have no problem in any word of this exercise of chapter 6. Okay, so students, today's your classwork is that complete exercise which is page number 46 of this chapter 6 in your English literature book as Vishasta. And students, also complete this exercise of this chapter 6 in your far English literature notebook with a best in writing. And students, note down word meaning of this chapter 6 the swing in your far English literature notebook. It's a today's classwork. And students, the homework is that learn word meaning of this chapter 6, the swing, from your FAD English Literature notebook. It's a today's homework, and students, I hope you have no problem for learning work, because students, I've explained word meaning of this chapter 6, the swing. Okay, so all students, firstly complete your classwork. Complete exercise which is page number 46 of this chapter 6 in your English Literature book as well as and also complete this exercise of this chapter 6 in your FAD English Literature notebook, and then note down word meaning of this chapter 6, the swing, in your FAD English Literature notebook with your best handwriting, and send me over here. Thank you.